In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank to QuickBooks Online Payroll so you can pay taxes and employees seamlessly. Linking your bank account with QuickBooks is an essential step to manage financial transactions efficiently, from tax payments to ensuring your employees are compensated on time. First, open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Click the Sign In button and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. It's important to ensure you're in the right service to access all payroll features. Carefully enter your username and password, double check that everything is correct, and click Continue to move forward. Next, head over to the Bank Transactions tab, which you can find under the Accounting menu. If you prefer, you can also use the link provided in your welcome email or search for it in the QuickBooks interface. Once you're in the Bank Transactions section, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button labeled Link Account. Click on it and a new window will open to begin linking your bank account with QuickBooks Online. You'll be prompted to select your account type, either a credit card or a bank account. Make sure you have your details ready, and having a recent statement on hand can be helpful for accuracy. Enter the necessary information such as your account number and any other details required by your institution. After that, log into your bank using your usual online banking credentials. This step is crucial as it allows QuickBooks to securely access your bank information and manage transactions. Rest assured, this connection is secure and your data privacy is maintained. And that's it. By following these steps, your bank account is now linked with QuickBooks Online Payroll. This connection not only allows for seamless tax payments and employee compensation, but also takes you a step closer to efficient financial management within your business. Keeping your financial data integrated and organized is vital for smooth operations. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Happy bookkeeping!